How to change lock screen wallpaper automatically. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to change lock screen wallpaper automatically. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Settings application on your device. Scroll down. Locate Home Screen and Lock Screen option and tap on it to open it. Here you will see different options. Simply you have to scroll down and come to the lock screen section. Select lock screen magazine option, tap on it and open it. Make sure to toggle the button on for lock screen magazine to access the New York or network during use. Once you toggle it on, after preference you will see the Carousel Wallpaper setting. Simply tap that and then you have to select Carousel mode. And here you can select whether you want to choose only show customized wallpaper or you can also select source customized and recommended wallpaper. Once you have chosen between that, you can select the preferences and select the preference after of your interest. Once you are done selecting that, you can easily save. On a wallpaper, you can also customize the wallpapers. You can add your own wallpapers from here in this way. You can simply add it and then you can see the preview as well. Tap the add button and after that it will be appeared on your lock screen once you have added, and you can also tap the edit and edit the button or the wallpapers. You can check mark the particular wallpaper and remove it as well. Once you have done that, when you lock your screen and then after you hold your power button and open and again turn the mobile off and turn it back on, then your lock screen wallpaper will be changed automatically without coming to the home screen. So that is how you can easily change the lock screen wallpaper automatically. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.